Here on Translating Faith, we're building bridges to understanding, one conversation at a time. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Madison, and I'm a Christian. I work in the nonprofit sector, and I'm also an ordained pastor. Our topic today, as part of our Your Kids Left the Church series, is Beyond Belief, connecting with your adult children on shared values. A great way to connect with your adult child about your faith without necessarily talking about your specific denomination, which we also talked about in the last video, is to build common ground. How do you do that? You can connect on shared values. Even if you and your kid have a difference in religious belief, you can find commonalities through concerns that you both share. For example, do you both have a heart for the poor and the underserved? Is it important for you to volunteer or donate to food drives, food banks, or shelters? Maybe you're also both committed to creation and you enjoy gardening or growing your own food supply together. You might have a different specific theology about creation or the environment, but perhaps you share your love for self-sufficiency through food or farming. Do you both believe in community? Friendships, community groups, gathering over a shared meal, eating around a table together? Laughing, sharing, maybe family time is a huge value for you. Do you believe in eating dinner together as a family every night or as much as possible? Do you create boundaries around your work and other life to prioritize your family? All of these things are biblical if you haven't already realized that, but they're not just biblical. See, this is a way you can connect with your kids about biblical principles without actually talking about scripture. Values like love and compassion and generosity are universal despite religious belief. If you can, I suggest you sit down with your adult child and make a list together. Ask yourself, 1, what values are important to us? Some examples could be love, generosity, sharing meals. 2, where do those values meet? What values do we share in common? And 3, how can we live out those values together? This might be a great opportunity to volunteer together. Choose a date and a time and how you want to put your values into action. Remember, you can connect over shared values, and your values might even be biblical, whether your child realizes it or not. But try not to talk about the Bible. Don't talk about theological principles, which lead to your values, but instead talk about the fruit, what your faith inspires you to do. The fruit really is the most important part. In our next video, as part of the series about Your Kids Left the Church, Now What? We will talk about celebrating their journey, how to affirm your children's spiritual paths, even if they're different. It might be a tough one, but I think it'll be really helpful. Until then, I'm Madison, and this is Translating Faith.